Hey Java developers, choosing the right IDE can make or break your coding experience. Today we're comparing NetBeans and Visual Studio Code for Java development. Let's dive in. First up, NetBeans. It's a free open source IDE built in Java, tailored for Java developers. NetBeans shines with out-of-the-box features with intelligent code completion, robust debugging, and built-in support for Maven, JavaFX, and Java EE. It's a heavyweight IDE, ideal for large enterprise-level Java projects, but it can be resource-intensive and slower on older machines. Next, Visual Studio Code. This free, lightweight code editor from Microsoft is super versatile. For Java, it relies on extensions like the extension pack for Java for features like code completion, debugging, and Maven support. VSCode is fast, customizable, and great for polyglot developers working across languages, but it needs setup for full Java functionality. NetBeans is your go-to for enterprise Java projects with its all-in-one Java toolkit and minimal setup. It's beginner-friendly but can feel sluggish. VSCode is better for small projects, quick edits, or multi-language workflows. It's fast and lightweight but requires extension configuration. The winner? It depends. Pick NetBeans for deep Java integration and big projects. Choose VS Code for speed and flexibility. Try both, they're free. Just let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy coding.